Miley Cyrus. How lovely to have you here.
Thank you very much, dear sir.
Thank you. Wow, what a success story your career is. It's remarkable.
I think something like that. I'm not good with the numbers. No, but so at first, when I was 11, I auditioned.
What's the, my daughter's threatened to teach me the new dance. There's a dance that you do in the... No, I haven't.
Pop it like it, polka dotty, cut. Do it.
But I will practice.
Yeah, because Ben Affleck's cute, which I told her.
I get the feeling you're going to survive in this business. I have this feeling you're going to make a success of it. A mini mullet's even worse. It's like I couldn't grow a proper mullet.
My dad has a book, and there's like the Kentucky Waterfall, which is what my dad has.
Well, there's your dad now, though. But now your dad has it's a more modern haircut altogether, and he's a very good-looking man, if I may say so.
Oh, thank you.
Even with the tiny attempt at a beard there. I don't quite know what's going on.
The what?
The little... It's not really a beard, is it?
It's he calls it his flavor saver.
Okay.
Wait, what was the question?
You want to know my favourite part of the movie? You don't want to know. Okay. You're like a sort of charming assassin, aren't you?
Did your daughter like that? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Hello.
Can I just say, I've interviewed just about everyone. You are the scariest person. Okay.
Thank you.
It's the...
See my movie! See my movie!
That's the way to do it. Please say hello to your dad for me, will you?
I will.
Okay,
See
it's
ya.
Miley Cyrus. Thank you so much. Great fun.